Hello everyone. Due to current situation, this year we will be conducting BDC in online mode, which is the new normal. This would mean we also need to adapt our program to make it suitable for online delivery. So we will be able to offer only the worksheets component to start with. We would be sending one puzzle-based worksheet per week, along with a video explaining the solving method for the same. Considering the age group of the students, it is preferred that parents take a hard copy of the worksheet and then give it to their ward for solving. Along with brain stimulation, we also look at motor skills development aspect, which is achieved through writing and scribbling on paper. However, we also understand that it may not be possible for parents to take a hard copy every week. So we are reworking on our worksheets so that they can be solved even online. Please keep in mind that this would still be possible only on a laptop or desktop and not on a mobile device. The worksheets will be in PDF format. Parents would need to use Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, which is a free software, which will allow to annotate on the PDF worksheets. Most computers may already have this software. So we would be showing how to check if you already have it. If you already have the software, you don't need to install it again. Just follow the section which explains how to annotate using Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Those who may not have this software on their machines, they will need to follow the installation procedure to install the software. Let us see how to find out whether we already have Acrobat Reader DC installed on our machines. Whether you have freshly installed the software or you already have it on your machine, you will be able to see this icon which says Acrobat Reader DC on your desktop. Double-click that icon to open the tool. Now once this is open, you will see that the Home tab is selected. But we need to go to Tools. When you click on these tools, if you see this screen, if you see all these tools, then you are ready for solving the BDC worksheets. Let us see how to install Adobe Acrobat Reader DC on our machines. You can open Google search in your browser and type Acrobat Reader in the search window. When you type Acrobat Reader, you will be presented with so many links. So please click on this link which says Adobe Acrobat Reader DC download. You will be presented with this screen which shows from where we can download the Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. We will be unchecking these options for McAfee Security Scan and McAfee Safe Connect. So this is the button Download Acrobat Reader, where we should be clicking to download the installable file. So it is now trying to get our download, and you will see in the left hand corner a file is downloaded. The name of the file is readerdc_en_xa_cra install. To install it, you can just double click on that file. And then it will ask you, do you want to run this file? So let us click on run because obviously we want to install. Your user account control will ask for permission to install it on your computer. So please say yes here. Installation will begin shortly. So when the installation is complete, you will be presented with this dialog box. Just click on finish, and because we have already checked launch Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, after clicking on finish, it will open your software. As you can see, you have installed Adobe Acrobat Reader DC on your machine. Every worksheet will be accompanied by an instruction video telling how to solve the same. But let us see some sample worksheets here to get a generic idea. Here we are going to see how to use the tools which we want to use. So we need to go to View, Tools, and click on Comment, click on Open. When we do that, we will see that all these tools have now appeared here for us to use. So now here this worksheet is about joining the dots. Okay. So if I want to do something like this, which means I need to draw lines which will join the dots. So here I am going to use this tool, which is the drawing tool. So I can click on this tool, and the moment I click it, here you will see a big dot which indicates what color is chosen currently. If you want, you can click on this and change the color whatever you want. So let's say I will choose the red. Okay. Now I can just go and start drawing. So A to B, B to C, C to D, and so on. If you want to erase, there is a eraser, so you can click on this eraser and you can erase whatever you want to. This way you will be able to erase it, and then you can start joining it again. So this way you will be able to solve the worksheet. Now let us see a different type of a worksheet. We need to mark something. We need to let's say encircle something. Okay, so in that case also we again go to View and we open our Comment tool. Okay. And here now, instead of going for the drawing tool, I am going to use this. So this is for drawing different shapes. So click on this small arrow and let's say I select the oval tool. So here I want to find which one is odd or which one is different. In this line, this one is different, so I can just draw an oval around it. In the second line, I need to choose the tool again. So once I have drawn one shape, I need to choose the shape again. So this way we can highlight things. Now let us see one more type where we may have to add some text, where I am supposed to type letters to complete this word. So here again we have to open the Comment tool, and now I am going to use this, which is add a text comment. So this text tool. So I'm going to click on this, and then you will see that I can type. So I can take it wherever I want to type. Click here. You can always change the size, or if you want to change the font, you can change the font. You can even change the color, and then if you want, you can close this and then you can type the letter. So I have typed it. So this way you can edit this PDF worksheet for a text. Once you have solved your worksheet, you would like to save it. For that, go to File and click on Save. Now here it will give you an option of saving it in the same folder, or you can choose a different folder. So if I choose the same folder, I can overwrite this file by just clicking on Save, or I can create a new file by changing the name and then clicking on Save.